Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Monthly Giveaway. This edition of Monthly Giveaway is very important for us because the date got extended, yet there were a lot of festivals, everything was there. So I'm sure you guys would have had a great Diwali. This festival season, abhi Chhat bhi gayi hai, so you would have had a whole lot of, you would have taken time off to enjoy the month with family and friends. There's nothing new to be added. Whole lot of things are going to be coming in. IVG guidelines are going to be changed. A lot of processes are going to be changed in coming months that will improve the industry, and we are confident that the sales would increase. You would get benefit from a level playing field. So there's nothing new which is adding, but I want to revisit, go back and start showing you things which are already there in the system that could help you increase your sales. So I want to touch upon few things that would help you get the best out of Capricorn. Chat and support. Now, a lot of people are using it, but we see a large percentage of people still calling up, trying to get their order approved, still calling up to get clarification done. Please understand that Capricorn has invested in technology. We have been continuously expanding our, increasing infrastructure. Now our chat and bot is a fantastic tool. Put your order there, you'll get a response faster. It is better than calling us, waiting over the telephone to get a response back. Put it on chat, within 5 to 10 minutes people do it. You don't have to repeat, or you do not have to call up, remind us. It is there in the log. All our support people have an SLA which they have to respond back. So rather than calling up, use the chat to communicate to us. It is available more than 14 hours in a day. So it's a brilliant tool. You should use this more often. Before you make a call, use a chat. We also have a bot. A lot of these answers are, questions which you have are answered automatically. You don't require this. You want to see the status of your order, put the order ID, it will show you this. It will also tell you what all problems you have. So use this tool, increase your sales. Do not have to call us. We have limited people handling your calls. So if you call us, there is always going to be a wait time. You can avoid this, use chat. The chat is available in Capricorn Cash, and at the same time is available on certificate.digital. Important part is that we also have WhatsApp. So when you start speaking on WhatsApp, it will come to us. You don't have to install a new application. You can use WhatsApp to communicate with us, and our support people would respond back. Try it, give it a spin. Try it, and you will see that the response is much faster. Next, please. We are changing our system. Now, you do not have to say order ID in the video. Previously, we were the only certifying authority insisting on saying order ID on the video itself. Now, your orders could be approved without you saying the order ID. You just simply have to say, you are so and so, you applied for class 2 DSC with Capricorn and eKYC ID, and we will approve your order. This is one thing which will help you to get the video done quickly. It's these are the small things which we're introducing in coming days to help you process your DSC faster from Capricorn. This is it from my side today. There's nothing new. I would like to I call upon Pawan, who is, I feel, one of our main pillars in the marketing division. He would like to speak to you today. So please, Pawan, please come.
Thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity. Hello, everyone. Hope you all are safe. This is a pandemic time, but still, I believe all of you are keeping safe at home, your friends, your family, yourself. And this is Pawan Kumar Tiwari, and I'm the Senior Business Development Manager here at Capricorn. Me, along with my entire team, is working day and night to improve along with you. So basically, you all are the ones for which we are working hard, right? So I would like to address two important points, like the first one being the Buy DSC link. Now, this Buy DSC link is a very important tool which is already there in your Capricorn.cash portal under a marketing section. So there is a marketing heading under which there is a Buy DSC link. Now, what this link do is using this Buy DSC link, you can target your retail market. You can set your own prices from the portal, and you can target them. You can send it across to them over WhatsApp, over Facebook. You can market this link. Now, the second link again is under this marketing division, which is sign up link. To help grow your business, this is a very important link. This is a very major link to create your channels under you. In order to create a channel of resellers, if there is a partner who wants to add a reseller to it, so they can use a sign up link from the marketing division, and they can generate a link, they can send it across to their respective resellers, and by clicking on this link, they can simply put in their details, like personal details, and they will eventually get added under the partner. Now, the second being the very most important, which I'm sure many partners are using, but there are few partners who are still not using this document signer certificates, which makes bulk signing work very easy. Like by using this bulk document signer certificates in application to our application software, which I believe you should be knowing. You can call upon your respective account managers to know in detail how this bulk signing tool works. Okay, so this was all from my end. We wish you all the very best, and let's start with the lucky draw for this October giveaway.
Thank you. So, we've been getting orders. This is best of luck.
Wish you all the very best. Let's begin with this lucky draw.
Just
yeah. Okay. The phone. You need to show the phone. Yeah. This is the monthly giveaway for the month of October. This is Samsung S20 Plus. Yeah. So let's start.
Please.
So I'm not even looking at it. Now let's pick one ball. Okay. So this is the number 40.
Number 40 is the winner. He can always come. Congratulations. Your product is here. You can always come. Thank you for joining us. We will see you next month. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you all. Bye.